In this video, I decided to list the top 3 best folding bike. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on the price, quality, durability, performance and much more. Number 1. Savadeck folding bike. Carbon frame folding bike. Quickly and easily folds for storage and transport, perfect for taking on a bus or train on your commute or stashing it in your apartment. Easy to adjust, while only being 20 inches. Carbon folding bicycle is suitable for most people because you can easily adjust the height of the seat for your own needs. This stylish bike is a perfect one for those who commute to work, or riding in parks as well as in camping sites. The geometry is matched exactly to the people and gives a strong sense of security and smoothness. Strict quality testing, every component has been carefully considered and selected to piece together. Hidden folding box patented design. Carbon frame and fork, Tor AT700 carbon fiber frame, fork, and designed in the wind tunnel. The stays, seat post, and seat tube are aerodynamically contoured. The hidden folding box patented design makes the folding bike have stylish looking. Shimano 105 speed control and disc brake. Shimano 105 2*11 speed with shifter lever, front derailleur, rear derailleur, and hydraulic disc brake. It enables you to start and operate your ride effectively, smooth shifting and durable. 580mm adjustable seat post. You can easily adjust the height of the seat for your own needs. And it is suitable for adults and children. Number 2. Dahon Speed D7 Street 20 7-speed folding bicycle. Sporty performance and exceptional value are the qualities that make sure the Dahon Speed D7 Street 7-speed folding bicycle stays at the top of Dahon's most popular bike list. This street crusher has a light chromoly frame with a 7-speed Shimano Road TX35 rear derailleur. Superior built, the Speed D7 Street features a lightweight 4130 light chromoly frame and has a lattice-forged hinge with vice grip technology. The fork features high-10 steel blades and steerer for smooth, strong, and stable riding. The handle post is a forged alloy radius telescope integrated with fusion technology for easier control. It features 7-speed Shimano Road TX35 rear derailleur drivetrain that will never let you down. Wheels and brake. The Dahon Speed D7 Street is equipped with Dahon's 20 inches wheels. The tires pair with aluminum rims with 20-hole front and 28-hole rear hub to provide a sturdy base and superior performance. In addition, this bicycle is equipped with WinZip smooth and powerful 110mm V brakes. EuroMinis Zizzo via 27 pounds folding bike. The aluminum alloy V brakes, while lightweight, provide the bike with the stopping power you need when called upon. The VIA also comes with front and rear fenders installed to help keep road and trail debris away from your clothes. Rust-resistant stainless steel 7-speed cassette. The stainless steel cassette is combined with a genuine Shimano Tourney 7-speed derailleur to tackle whatever hills or straightaways you will encounter with ease. Multi-terrain tires enable you to ride on paved roads and fire roads. An aluminum derailleur hanger attached to the frame is designed to absorb impacts to the derailleur so that the derailleur is less likely to be damaged. The VIA, as with our other 20 inches folding bikes, offer an adjustable, collapsible, telescopic handlebar post to fit riders 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 3 inches. The handlebar can also be rotated to best adjust to your hand position while riding. The seat post height can be adjusted to provide you with your most comfortable riding position. Adjustable alloy clamps secure the seat post, handlebar post height, handlebar brake lever orientation. The VIA when folded, the VIA folds down into the following dimensions: H27, L31, W12.5. Folding is easy and with experience, you can fold the bike within 30 seconds or less. When folded, the seat post is lowered and used as tripod with the 2 wheels to keep it stable in the upright position. A strong magnet catch will keep both wheels together when folded. Here are some specifications: all lightweight aluminum alloy, frame, handlebar, stem, seat post, kickstand, headset, front and rear hub, crankset, V-style brakes, front and rear fenders and more. Genuine Shimano Tourney 7 speeds derailleur, Shimano Revo 7-speed grip style shifter, and stainless steel 11 to 28 T 7-speed cassette gears. Adjustable stem adapts to riders of all sizes from under 5 feet to over 6 feet. 4 tall double wall rims, Kenda ultra light multi-terrain tires and magnet catcher to hold the folded bike together. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.